how to enable or disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store on the iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Next, we enter in the current screen passcode. Then we go down and tap on the iTunes and App Store toggle button to disable it or to enable it. When you enable it, it will ask you to enter in your Apple account if you haven't already signed in. Okay, once you sign in, if you go to App Store, and here I can double click, and that will use Face ID to install the app. So I don't need to put in the password or the passcode. I can use Face ID instead. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.